So the product of the two vectors, right? First, let me take the scalar product, right? So in the scalar product, the example of the, let me take the scalar product like the work done, power and the flux, how it is, right? You can see on during the multiplication or during the product, we'll take the two vector common. I have to take the two vector, but the answer may be scalar. If it is vector, then I will take the vector product, but here the answer is scalar. So here it is called the scalar product. Is it right? Even you can see force and velocity, they two are vector, but the answer is a scalar, that is a power, in similarly as a flux. So what is scalar product? Scalar product, first of all, it is also known as the dot product, and in the scalar, when we multiply two vectors, the answer should be scalar. Here AB cos theta is a formula. You have to note this formula. This formula indicate that, right, key here the vector A make an angle theta with the vector B, so his projection, I mean to say his component is A cos theta. This A cos theta is only towards the direction of B, so I will say A cos theta is the projection of A towards the direction of B. Here also either you can write this or this, same. Here this is a vector B and vector A is in this direction, clear? So once again A makes a component of A cos theta toward the direction of B. So I can say once again A cos theta is the projection of A toward the direction of B. So this is only why here, because there is no direction, so I will take only the projection and will write the magnitude. So this projection will give us like B cos theta and A, or you can say A cos theta into B. दोनों देखो multiply हो रहा है, is it right? Okay, so this I have written here examples also. But here to solve this answer, we need some basic properties, and in this basic properties, first of all, it is I dot I, that is similar orthogonal vectors when they multiply, similar when they multiply, similar when they multiply, the answer will give us 1. Is it right? And when the dissimilar are multiplied, like I dot j or j dot I, j dot k, k dot I, or etc., they all will give us 0. What is the reason behind that? Now come on here. Suppose I dot I. So here suppose A is I and B is also I. Well, we know that I are always toward the x-axis. So theta is 0, cos 0 is 1. And what is A? Here the vector is unit vector. So unit vector का magnitude कितना होता है? 1. Here in place of another, that is also 1. So overall here you will get the 1. So this is the reason why the similars are giving you 1. And why the dissimilar orthogonals are multiplied to give you 0. For that, if I place here I dot j, where we know I and j are perpendicular to each other. Right? I and j are what? Perpendicular to each other. So the theta is what? Theta is 90. Cos 90 will give us 0. The overall you are getting, here it is 0. Is it clear? Yes. In the vector product, you can see vector product is also known as the cross product, number 1, right? And how we write the magnitude. We know that how we write the magnitude. Magnitude is always written as the what? The projection form. Like here, is it right? A cos theta is the projection of A toward the direction of B. Is it right? This is the part of the magnitude. But we know that the vector has a direction also. Is it right? So the direction, so look at here, this is the direction. So where we get the direction and how we get this direction? For direction, we are using this right hand, what? Right hand thumb rule. Is it right? Thumb rule. How we use this right hand thumb rule? So look at here. If I place my right hand toward the direction of A, is it right? And if I cross it towards the B, देखो मैंने B की तरफ cross किया, तो ये thumb मेरे को direction दिखाता है. तो now let me place it is in the table, है ना? तो table के लिए मैं एक plane ले लेता हूँ सामने. So suppose this is the direction of A and ये B है तुम्हारा. So toward the direction of B, if I'll cross, ये चला जाएगा कहाँ पे देखो? ये अगर X है, ये Y है, तो definitely this is what? Z axis. So this n cap indicate the direction of these vector. A cross B का direction दिखा रहा है. Because we know that unit vector always indicate the direction of a particular vector. Who is that vector? A cross B. For example, A क्रॉस B, perpendicular distance and force A and B, इसका आंसर कौन है? Torque. So direction of the torque is toward this direction, where A and B are maybe R and one of them is F. Similarly, angular momentum and linear velocity, we can find this. Now some properties are also, once again it's very important. Now look at here, similar orthogonal vectors when they cross I cross I, J cross J, K cross K will give you 0, but dissimilar will give you the third one, because if it is I, if it is J, then it will be K, है ना? तो इसीलिए देखो K आ गया इसमें. But if I reverse it, अगर रिवर्स करोगे तो मेरे ख्याल से तुम्हारा डाउनवर्ड चला जाएगा ऐसे B क्रॉस A करने से, है ना? पहले ऊपर जा रहा था इसमें, अभी ये नीचे जाएगा. सो दैट्स व्हाई माइनस विल कम. तो कैसे लर्न करें इसको? वेरी सिंपल. I J K is what my pattern of in the anti clockwise. इसका उल्टा करेंगे तो माइनस लिखेंगे, like J K minus J, sorry I K minus J. If I do it here I J, then I will write here it is K. Similarly, ये तुम्हारा patterns में आता है इसमें. Is it clear? So I think you got it right, and इसका examples I think it will be more clear if I do you, है ना?